we have to give the user the ability to save the current state of their resume. For that, we will add a button that will save the configuration in the local storage. To trigger the action of saving the current resume state to local storage, we first add a button above the resume. We can use our custom button component for that. On click, we call a method with the name saveConfig. We add this method to the methods object. Since we want to store the entire configuration object, we must convert it into a JSON string first. We can access the reactive data object from within the component with this $data. Let's inspect this value first in the console. As you can see, the data object as a JSON string gets logged. We will store this value in the local storage with the key resume. You can see the values stored in the local storage with Chrome DevTools in the Applications tab. As you can see, the configuration was saved.
Thanks for watching this Newline tutorial. If you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It helps other students find our content.